Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package right here is another package coming from Zadehkicks. I actually pre-ordered this a while back. So let's crack this open right here. And I've ordered from Zadeh multiple times, and I know people have questioned this multiple times, whether or not he's legit or not. And I've said this again also multiple times as well, that to me he is 100% legit. So I have no issues as far as doing pre-orders from him, because I know I will get the shoe. I know it just takes time because he does have a lot of customers. I don't know if you follow him on Instagram, but he posts videos of all the shoes that he gets when he actually gets to his warehouse, and there's tons of them. So it does take time to ship them out, but if you have patience, you will get your shoe, and he usually gives them at a good price. So let's crack this open right here. Again, this is it's a 350 box right here. Got the Boost. As you can see, it's a Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas right there. And this is the colorway is white, I guess core black red, size 10.5. So if you know what that colorway is, you know what these are right here. You got the paper, and we got the zebras. So there you go. You've seen this multiple times right here. The bottom right there, you got the supply 350 right there. Right there. So just quick look of the shoe that I picked up from Zadehkicks. Again, to me, it's 100% legit. So if you have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. And just as a quick reference, again, this is from him. This is the one I picked up from Finish Line. And here again, same box, as you can see. Again, Finish Line receipt right there. Just taking one shoe out, so you need to see. Again, that's a pair from Finish Line right there. So, and this is the one from Zadeh. So, as you can see, no issues, nothing. All right, YouTube, peace out.